chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said.
Hello there my beautiful people, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another video. So today's video is all about getting glammed up for the festive season, for Christmas, for the new year. And I know with the current climate so much is going on, but regardless I think it's still very important for us to still enjoy. This year has been insane, it has been crazy, we're alive, we're healthy, so I think it's still important to be grateful regardless of the current climate. So guys, I've put together for you some beautiful, elegant, sexy outfits that you can wear to enjoy the festive season with your loved ones, and I am totally in love. I'm here to help you to elevate your look for this season, not just for the season, for life, okay? Your girl is here to help you for life, and I think you are going to die over these dresses, guys. You are going to love it because I am in love. Your girl's wearing a red lipstick, she's feeling herself. Okay, so the first look I'm going to show you is this stunning but sexy. It is elegant, it is elevated, okay? I love so much and I love the details. It's a sequin dress and it has a faux satin material on the arms. It has a drape sort of detail here, which only means one thing: you can have all the dinner you like, you can eat all the turkey that you want on that day. This dress is beautiful. It's giving me Angelina Jolie leg moment, you know, pat. I love it so much and I feel gorgeous in it. I feel sophisticated. I feel like I deserve to wear this dress, and babe, you deserve to wear this dress. You deserve a glass of champagne. You deserve to live it up, okay? Because this year has not been easy. It has been very difficult. We're still alive, we're healthy, and we need to appreciate that, okay? It is necessary for your mental health. I feel like I deserve a dinner in this dress. I deserve to be taken out somewhere gorgeous, or I can even take myself out somewhere really nice because I feel like $1 million, and you deserve to feel like $1 million because this dress is stunning. It's giving me all the vibes that I love. So darlings, so the next outfit that I've gone for is this beautiful Lavish Alice dress. It is in a wrap style. It's traditional, but at the same time it's giving me vintage vibes. It's giving me Vivica Fox in Two Can Play That Game. You know when she turns up at his house after the breakup? This is giving me that kind of vibes. I love it so much. It is off the shoulders. It is a corset sort of style. It really hugs the body, and again it has a gorgeous slit, which you guys know that I love. I feel like a lady in this dress. This dress is perfect for this season. I honestly feel like a lady. I feel very elegant, and you don't even need too many accessories. For accessories, I've gone ahead and added these gold earrings. It has diamante details, perfect for the occasion, perfect for the party season. And also this gorgeous dress. This belongs to my mum. It's so nice. It's just blinging, and I think, you know, jewelry are a nice way to elevate your outfit and make everything just look well put together. It adds a bit of drama. It's a good way to dress up your look, and I love it. And I've got mine in a size 14 because you guys know that you know, I have a big bust and it's quite hard for me to find dresses, but these fit to perfection.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Next up is this beautiful beautiful Rosie Connolly backless sequin dress. Oh my gosh, are you guys dying? This dress is insane. I love it so much. It is beautiful, stunning, and on top of that, oh my god, we've got some party in the back right there, backless. For my ladies who are big chested like me, don't worry, I've got you covered. Ladies, I've got you covered. Actually, you can't see anything, and I love this hack. My friend Ella taught me this. So all you have to do is put the bra on as normal, tighten up the straps and tuck in the sides without having to close the strap at the back, okay? And literally, babe, you're done. It gives you a nice lift. This is a hack that's gonna save your life. But anyway, let's get into this gorgeous dress. I feel like Beyonce, like, you know, like during I'm Not a Diva. I feel so good. This dress is absolutely stunning. Because this dress has so much drama, so much character, I've gone ahead and just pulled my hair back because I want you to see the sexy back, okay? I want you to see my back fat. This look is giving me New Year's Eve. You can still wear this dress for other occasions as well, like for example your birthday, I don't know, something very special happening in your life. You can wear this, and I think I'm going to save this dress for my birthday because this dress is absolutely stunning. Honestly, this is giving me Christmas dinner with the family. I like that it has a little slit there, which is nice for some back action. You guys know that I love that. Honestly, this dress is everything. I feel so gorgeous. I feel amazing. Lavish Alice, thank you so much for my beautiful, gorgeous dresses. I love it so much and I cannot wait to wear these out. Honestly, guys.
Chestnut roasting.
So the next piece I'm going to show you is this bandeau dress in a satin and feather material. Guys, this dress is so beautiful. I love it so much. It's giving me Christmas vibes. It's giving me special occasion vibe. It's giving me birthday, drinks with the girls, date night. Honestly, I love it so much. It's just so stunning. It complements the body very, very well. I love the feathers. It gives it a very glam look. And it has like a corset detail here, which I love, and it makes the waist look smaller. It just looks very, very fitted, but it's not overly tight. Again, I've got these dresses in a size 14. I've gone ahead and paired it with these beautiful shoes that I bought from Pretty Little Thing. I've had this for quite some time now, but it's a classic. It comes out every year. I just love this look. I love this. This is giving me like Dubai nights, you know. I love it so much. I love the vibe that it's giving me. I feel gorgeous and the material is so soft. I love the feathers. It gives it very glam, and this is giving me like Rihanna vibes. I don't know why, but I really love this dress.
Chestnut roasting.
So the next look is also from Lavish Alice. This is the little black dress with a bit of drama. This is the velvet dress that I just love. I think it's beautiful. And this is definitely a showstopper kind of dress. If you want to show them that, look, yeah, this girl over here means business. I love it so much. It is full of drama. Guys, how cool is this? This is so cool. Honestly, this is a dress to remember, and I feel like with this dress it is perfect for any occasion. Like, you can wear this to a wedding, you can, I mean, maybe not a wedding. I feel like this is more of a cocktail kind of dress for me. It's a perfect dress for the New Year's Eve. It's a perfect dress for cocktails with the girls. It is date night appropriate, and you can definitely also wear this for another special occasion that might be coming up. But I love this, and I think it's so special. I love the fact that it has one arm, so this part's like a bandeau and then you've got like a blazer tuxedo kind of look. So this can actually be perfect for a black tie event as well if you're confident enough. And I feel like, depending on your style and your vibe, but I think you girls are going to love this. Comment down below so far which one is your favorite outfit, which one you like on me the most, because I think I really love this dress. I feel really playful. I feel confident. Although it's short, you guys know I'm quite conservative. I don't really wear things that show a lot of skin, so I'm feeling this. I'm really feeling this. There's something about it that I really like. I just love how sexy and playful it is. These, oh my days, I love Chat, chat, chat. Darlings, the next dress that I'm going to show you is from Jarlo London. They kindly gifted me this dress also. Jarlo London, thank you so much. This dress is a red carpet. This dress is a black tie. This dress is New Year's Eve. This dress is absolutely stunning. I love every details about it. It has, I think, 3 layers. We've got 1 layer here, we've got another layer here, and we also have a little slip here, which is nice because then we've got a really nice high slit on the side. You guys know that I love my slit. You can definitely wear this to a wedding also. It's just very elegant, you know, and with all the outfits that I've showed you today, you don't actually need like crazy handbags. If you have anything small, and I think a black little clutch will go well with everything that I've showed you today. So I know I haven't showed any bags, but I think a nice little clutch will do. This is a maxi dress actually. It goes all the way to the floor, which I think is spectacular. I feel really sexy. I feel like a queen, and I feel like I deserve to wear this dress out. I feel like I deserve a glass of champagne. It may be a bit too much right now because we're not allowed out. But when we are allowed out, you definitely can wear this. And I know that I've already showed dresses, but it's because I normally gravitate a lot towards dresses. I wanted it to be different to all my hauls that I normally do. I wanted it to be more dressy and just extra, just to show you guys something a little bit different. I hope you have enjoyed it.